guys, welcome to the 5th episode of the wedding skincare series. So in case you haven't seen the previous episodes, please make sure you check them out by clicking on the I button here. You will get a direct link to the video. Also, before we move on, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. Also hit the bell icon for further notifications. If you have already done all of that, thank you so much, guys. With that, let's move on to today's topic, which is how to get rid of open pores. You'll remember that anything hot makes something expand, anything cold makes things shrink or contract. For example, you might remember if the cover of a bottle of jam is very tight, you put it in hot water so that it opens up easily. So the cover of the jam expands while making it easier for us to open the bottle of the jam. Only if you keep the same bottle of jam in the freezer, you might see that it becomes really tight and you can't open it that easily. So the same logic applies to your skin. If you wash your skin with hot water, it opens up your pores, or if you use something cold on your face, if you use something more cooling on your face, it shrinks your pore. So that is the reason we need to use something cooling on our skin so that we shut our pores. So here are a few hacks that can really help us get rid of open pores. Let's see what these hacks are.
All you have to do is massage an ice cube for 1 minute every day in circular motion. Ice not only tightens your pores but also helps get rid of any sort of puffiness on your face. It also softens your skin, making it more healthier and plumper. You can use this remedy twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. It's really gonna help you guys. To make this mask, all you have to do is empty the contents of a green tea bag in a bowl. Mix a little bit of yogurt in it. Apply this mask on your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off. Green tea is very good for tightening your pores. It also helps you get rid of any kind of marks. It also fights bacteria and cleans your pores. Cut an aloe vera in this way. Remove the sides and slice it in between. Now freeze the slice of aloe vera. After 1 hour, remove the aloe vera from the freezer and massage it on your face for 2 minutes. To a glass of hot water, add a green tea bag. Refrigerate and allow it to infuse for 3 hours. Add some glycerin and mix it really well. Also add a vitamin E capsule and mix. Now put it in a spray bottle like this. Shake it really well and apply. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, you know what to do. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with all your close friends, all your bride-to-be friends, or anyone for that matter who's suffering from open pores. After a few weeks, come back to my channel and comment down below and tell me if all of these hacks worked for you or not, and feel free to share your feedback so that it might help my other viewers. Or if you have any queries, you can again leave it in the comments below. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you have already done all of those good things, thank you so much, guys. It really means a lot. With that, it's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all in the next episode of the series. Until then, bye bye.